name is Sofia Benouakta and I am currently a field application engineer at ASYGN, where I work on developing RFID sensor systems. It took me 3 years to realize that electronics was what really interested me. I started in general engineering, but once I got hands-on with writing code and building circuits, I immediately knew that that's where I fit. This realization led me to get my master's degree in electrical engineering and to later on pursue a Ph.D. and a postdoctoral position where I focused on designing antennas for radio frequency identification systems. Honestly, this was one of the most important experience of my life, because that's where I learned how to tackle challenges, how to solve problems, but most importantly, how to be disciplined. Our technology is built around a specialized chip that integrates both communication and sensing, enabling us to create smart wireless sensing solutions. What I really enjoy about my job and this industry is that in addition to the technical side, I get to meet so many people through conferences, workshops, and seminars all around the world. This has played a big role in my growth, both as a scientist, but also as a person. And I'm especially excited to share that with people who are new to the field through the Young Professionals group of the AIDC industry. I truly believe that there's real value in going out there, learning from others, and sharing what we know. Let's do it.